Hello friends, today we discuss about closing entries on month end, generalizing and posting. Concept of closing of revenue and expenses, zero balance. Closing entries perform in this order: sale, income summary, expenses, income summary, owner's capital, owner's drawings, owner's capital. There are two concepts: temporary accounts and permanent accounts. In temporary accounts, all revenue accounts, all expenses accounts, income summary account, drawing account are temporary accounts. Permanent accounts are all assets, liabilities, balance sheet related, and capital items. Next, this is the summary, income summary. Account name, income statement, and balance sheet. Income statement debit and credit, balance sheet debit and credit. Cash taken on month end 7,607 rupees, showing balance sheet debit. Account receivable from Sudhir 700 rupees, Sudhir account, balance sheet. Account receivable Mr. Aloknath 498 rupees, supplies 431 rupees, all in balance sheet debit. Prepaid expenses insurance showing 200 rupees. Account payable from Ram Kishore on balance sheet 381 rupees. Account payable month end Nagbabu 555 rupees. Mr. Anil Kohli, who is owner, capital 6,527 rupees. And Kohli's drawings on balance sheet debit 1,000 rupees on month end. Income summary showing like this: income summary on income statement, sale 6,233, 6,233 credit, and all expenses, advertising expenses 800 rupees, insurance expenses 200 rupees, miscellaneous expenses 315 rupees, supplies 450 rupees, utilities expenses 1,495 rupees. Income statement balances: expenses 3,260 rupees, credit sales 6,233 rupees, and balance sheet debit 10,436 rupees, and credit balance sheet 7,463 rupees. Net income comes this way: 6,233, balance equalized to debit and credit 0. $6,233 debit credit on income statement, on balance sheet 10,436 rupees, on credit debit credit equivalent to equalized, and net income comes this way: 2,973 rupees showing on income statement, and balance sheet credit 2,973 rupees. Income statement debit is equivalent to balance sheet credit. This is the concept of statement, simply showing for your easy understanding. This is the zero balancing concept of the entries on month end, income statement and balance sheet, which affecting like this way: income statement debit credit, balance sheet debit credit equalization. Thank you very much.